الماضي.
Past tense.
Past tense.
يجيب.
To answer.
To answer.
لقد أجبت للتو.
I answered.
I answered.
لقد أجبت على كل الأسئلة.
I answered all the questions.
I answered all the questions.
أنا أعلم هذا. لقد علمت هذا للتو.
I know that. I knew that.
I know that. I knew that.
أنا أكتب هذا. لقد كتبت هذا للتو.
I write that. I wrote that.
I write that. I wrote that.
أنا أسمع هذا. لقد سمعت هذا للتو.
I hear that. I heard that.
I hear that. I heard that.
أنا أحضر هذا. لقد أحضرت هذا للتو.
I'll get it. I got it.
I'll get it. I got it.
أنا آتي بهذا. لقد أتيت بهذا للتو.
I'll bring that. I brought that.
I'll bring that. I brought that.
أنا أشتري هذا. لقد اشتريت هذا للتو.
I'll buy that. I bought that.
I'll buy that. I bought that.
أنا أتوقع هذا. لقد توقعت هذا للتو.
I expect that. I expected that.
I expect that. I expected that.
أنا أشرح هذا. لقد شرحت هذا للتو.
I'll explain that. I explained that.
I'll explain that. I explained that.
أنا أعرف هذا. لقد عرفت هذا للتو.
I know that. I knew that.
I know that. I knew that.
كم شربت؟
How much did you drink?
How much did you drink?
كم اشتغلت؟
How much did you work?
How much did you work?
كم كتبت؟
How much did you write?
How much did you write?
كيف نمت؟
How did you sleep?
How did you sleep?
كيف نجحت في الامتحان؟
How did you pass the exam?
How did you pass the exam?
كيف وجدت الطريق؟
How did you find the way?
How did you find the way?
مع من تكلمت؟
Who did you speak to?
Who did you speak to?
مع من تواعدت؟
With whom did you make an appointment?
With whom did you make an appointment?
مع من احتفلت بعيد ميلادك؟
With whom did you celebrate your birthday?
With whom did you celebrate your birthday?
أين كنت؟
Where were you?
Where were you?
أين كنت تسكن؟
Where did you live?
Where did you live?
أين كنت تشتغل؟
Where did you work?
Where did you work?
بماذا نصحت؟
What did you suggest?
What did you suggest?
ماذا أكلت؟
What did you eat?
What did you eat?
ما الذي عرفته عن التجربة؟
What did you experience?
What did you experience?
How fast did you drive?
How fast did you drive?
كم مدة طيرانك؟
How long did you fly?
How long did you fly?
كم الارتفاع الذي قفزته؟
How high did you jump?
How high did you jump?